stay clear, okay? And I'm gonna just give you one little pimple. Now see. That's all.
Okay, I'm recording.
I'm doing 15.
I'm recording.
Oh, sorry.
Shut up! Hey guys, if you guys don't know me, my name is Asia Lorraine. I'm here with another video. And I'm actually excited about this video because I've been waiting so long and I finally got it. But before we start, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications because your girl is trying to be active. I'm trying to put out more videos for you guys because my last one kind of good and you guys just gave me positive feedback and comments, and you know that just keeps me going. By the way, like, if it's good quality, y'all, I'm using my sister's camera, so like this gonna be the one time only. Who knows, more videos with this camera. I might have to buy me a new camera because like this camera look it look bomb. Like, I'm sorry, it looks so good. Like, who is she? Like, I'm giving y'all looks like. Okay, let's just go with this video. Okay guys, so let's get right into it. So as you seen or read in the title, we're going to be doing the Boxycharm unbox. So I actually got it in the mail today. It came kind of late. Usually it doesn't even take that long to come, but for some reason it came late. This is the May 2020. I was going to do a review for April 2020, but it wasn't really worth it because nothing was interesting. So I figured I wasn't gonna do a video on it because that box was sad. That box was doo-doo. It was trash. No offense, I'm sorry. So I was disappointed. And I mean, the only good thing that I got was like a face wash and brushes, like eyeshadow brushes. I mean, that was like cute. Other than that, it wasn't really worth recording. So let's hope that May 2020 is good. I actually saw like a little bit of pictures of what might be in this box. So I mean, it's kind of beat up. Like, what did they do to this? Like, what did they look, it is beat up, bro. Anyways guys, so we're gonna open this box and see what we have. I'm excited, I'm very nervous, and I don't know what's gonna be here. Like, what's gonna be here. This is first impressions. As you can see, I never opened this box, so it's all news and ears to me, y'all. Oh, I got it. I almost got it. Oh, okay. Let's open her up. Okay, it says hello. Ooh, look at these goodies. Oh my god. I'm actually okay. I kind of don't want to look at it. I'm gonna get like the card or whatever. Ooh, okay. Mother Nature, you know, it was Mother's Day, you know. Packed with loves and loves, I think that's what it says. So this is how the beautiful card looks. It looks beautiful, guys. I mean, the last one wasn't that cute, but this one is really pretty. So in the back it just tells you what I have. So I'm actually just going to close my eyes and choose randomly because I really don't want to see it yet. So ooh, okay, this boy, we were just talking about eye brushes too. That's crazy. Okay, so this is a 5-piece deluxe let me close this so I won't like look at it. A 5-piece deluxe eye kit, and let me not read it. Okay, so this is the Muda. It's the Muda Pro Takes Moda. By the way guys, I literally cannot pronounce words, so I'm sorry about that. So if I'm pronouncing this wrong, I'm very sorry in advance. So yeah, so it just says that this line features quality, modern, professional shades, yada yada, and this retails for $27.95. So it's the bottom one right there, and this is pretty. So it just like gives you details of each brush, like what it does. And honestly, focus. Honestly, this is what I needed because, you know, I use so many like eyeshadow brushes and I feel like I just need more. So let's just kind of open this up. Wow, these are nice. Oh, the texture, it has a really like, I don't even know, like it's like a reptile skin or whatever. Like it just feels very rough, but it's cute. I like it. So you get like a fan brush, yada yada yada. I mean, it looks good. It looks really good. So you get a shade, a crease, a detail brush, a smudge brush, and a line brush. Let it focus, y'all. I mean, I'm gonna add this to my collection. This is like really nice. So I actually needed some brushes, so this is really cute, and it's 100% vegan. You know, I appreciate it. Okay, next. Is this makeup wipes? Okay, we're just gonna get this one out of the way because this one's pretty big. Okay, so we got makeup. Sorry guys, I looked in the box. I'm not even gonna lie, I looked in the box on accident. Okay, but we got these makeup wipes. I'm very skeptical because why is it so hot? Oh, maybe it was in the mail box for a long time. So what is this? So basically it prevents dark marks, right off the skin, removes this makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous, and designed for all skin types including sensitive dry skin. Better because your girl has sensitive skin and can be handling all that. And this retails for $17. So I might try this out. Like I really might try this out for you guys just to like see, because I'm kind of like skeptical because I do use different kind of makeup wipes that works for my skin and that doesn't make me out, and I also use like Garnier too, so I'm just kind of like, you know, skeptical about these. Let's kind of open her just to see. Hey, $17. Shoot, this better make my skin beautiful. It better make me have no acne after this. I mean, it smells like what makeup wipes I guess are supposed to smell. I'll let you guys know what these is about. It said it removes waterproof mascaras, so we'll see what she's about. So yeah, I'm willing to try her. So next, I already seen what's in the box, guys, so I'm not even gonna front and like tell you. Okay, so we got is this a lip balm? Hold up. Okay, so we got the Glow Recipe. It's a watermelon glow sleep. Oh, it's a sleeping mask. Okay, because I know like I wanted like makeup, like I wanted like blush and stuff. So like, I mean, I'm grateful, but like I'm spending my coins and I took the survey. Okay, so anyway, it's a watermelon glow, what they trying to say, sleeping mask, radiant, soft skin. Okay, so basically this is a glow sleeping mask. Oh, let me show you guys. I didn't even show you guys, I'm disrespectful. So basically it's a sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight with the pillow proof boosting face mask, formulated soothing, watermelon hydrating, pore refining while you sleep gentle. Okay, and this costs $22. I don't get it. So this is how she looks. Also says something in the back too, like it just, I guess it just gives you direction or whatever. Okay, so let's smell her. This is like bougie though. I'm not gonna lie, like I'll just like, you know, put it aside. And smell this.
What is it? You could try it. That smells really good.
My face gonna be smelling like watermelon. Maybe I'll give this a try. Maybe I'll do a little video of what it's supposed to do. I honestly see stuff like this. Like, I'm not really too big on, let's just say, skincare. I do like to take care of my skin, but it's what I use for my skin and what helps my skin. This, I'm just kind of like, skeptical because I don't wear masks, so I don't know how it's gonna even like, what is it gonna do to my face? It's gonna bring me out. Like, I'm not trying to get acne again. But yeah, but this smells bomb. I'm not trying that. Okay, I got 2 more items, guys. So I think this is another face mask, if I'm not mistaken. So it's Hollywood, California Glam Glow. I actually saw little pictures of people getting this, so I'm not really shook, but I'm shook. So it's berry glow and apply a layer. Yeah, okay, so it's rich berries and, oh, that's a big word, I don't know about that. That instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balance in the skin. This retails for, dang, this okay, it retails for $49, so aka $50, maybe 51. Shoot, tax be high. Oh, okay, so this is how it looks. Makeup. Oh, okay, well, it smells good to me. It smells like berries, like, that's what it smells like. But anyway, shoot, make me hungry. But it smells really good. I guess it's supposed to recover your oh no, it smells so good. Honestly, might try this. So like, I'm gonna do like a little bit test for you guys. Last but not least, it's a Tresquerique cup. I am sorry for pronouncing these names wrong. I am not doing it on purpose. I don't know how to pronounce it. So finally, you can have an extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and a lightweight feel. The ultra creamy, long lasting formula takes coverage correction to the next level, and this retails for $24. Stuff like that. So this is how it looks. I'm sorry, it's toffee. I could have worn that lighter. Okay, it's okay. So this is how it looks. I'm not too amazed by it, but I mean, that's how it looks. How do I take? Oh, okay. So she's like this. We gonna swatch, sis. We're gonna see what she's about. We swatch her. How cream? Oh, she is chalky. I will probably use this for my eyebrows, but not even for my eyebrows. I feel like this is just like not cute. Kind of like scared. Oh, it's like a little magnet. You see? Look. Hey. But I don't know about her. Dang, girl, you $24. Dang. Yeah, I don't know about her. I'll try to like get my final thoughts on her. Maybe if I do makeup, like if I do my makeup again, maybe I probably will forget about you, maybe not, but I'll see what she's about. But like, sis, no, this space ain't got time for new customers. So, but it's in the shade Toffee and it's like a crayon. I don't really care for concealers that are shaped like this because I like liquids, you know. I think liquids does the trick. Mask, I was really hoping for makeup, you know, but it is what it is, you know. We're gonna see how June gonna come through. We're gonna see what she does. But yeah, guys, the camera is about to die, so I'll see you guys later. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Yeah, maybe you guys should try this out, see how you like it, and maybe you'll get a better one than me. Okay, let's hope you guys will, because this wasn't really it. I'll let you guys know what the mask was about, the towels, does it work, you know, am I gonna get acne, who knows. So guys, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.